Hi all, welcome to Arrowhead Iron. Hope you guys are doing great. History has given us many heroes, some who are vastly celebrated, some of them who are lost, forgotten with time. This video is about one such particular hero who is lost and deserves more credit. Enigma. The Enigma machine is an encryption device which was extensively used by the Nazis Germany during the World War II in all branches of German military for communication purposes. Although the British were able to tap German messages, they were not able to decode them just because all the messages that were being transmitted were encrypted using the Enigma, which meant that the Germans were freely able to carry out and execute all their plans. Alan Turing. Now this is the person I wanted to talk about. Yes, it is believed that with what Alan Turing did, World War II got shortened by a minimum of 2 years. Yes, and at least 2 million lives were saved. So what did he do? He broke the Enigma. Turing, along with some other code breakers, worked for the government in Bletchley Park and were successful in building up a machine named Bombi, which was used to break Enigma. Turing is also widely considered to be the father of theoretical computer science and artificial intelligence. Other accomplishments also include building up of the Turing machine. Despite all of these achievements, he was never fully recognized in his home country for all of his lifetime due to his homosexuality and most of his work being covered by the Official Secrets Act. Turing was prosecuted in 1952 for his homosexual acts, as it was a criminal offense back then in UK. He was later released once he accepted for a chemical castration treatment to cure homosexuality. It was later in the year 1967 that an act was passed which decriminalized homosexual acts in England. Sadly, Turing died in the year 1954 by accidental cyanide poisoning, which is still disputed. Following an internet campaign, the British Prime Minister Gordon Brown made an official public apology on behalf of the British government for the appalling way he was treated. Later, Queen Elizabeth II granted Turing a posthumous pardon in 2013. The Alan Turing Law. This law is an official term for a law that was passed in 2017 in the United Kingdom, which pardoned all men convicted under the outlawed homosexual acts. That's it for this short informative video. I hope you guys liked the video. Please do like, share and subscribe to Arrowhead Iron. Thanks for watching.